Welcome to ZenInbox. Ensuring your emails reach the inbox and not the spam folder is crucial. The Mailbox Health Check feature in ZenInbox helps you verify key authentication settings like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to maintain high deliverability. How to check your mailbox. Health open ZenInbox and go to the Mailboxes section from the left sidebar. Select the mailbox you want to check. Click on the mailbox name to open its details. Navigate to the Health tab to see the SPF, DKIM, and DMARC status. SPF test ensures your email is sent from an authorized server. DKIM test verifies that your emails have a cryptographic signature to prevent tampering. DMARC test protects your domain from phishing and spoofing attacks. If all tests pass, your mailbox is correctly configured. What to do if a test fails? If any test shows failing, follow these steps. Check your DNS settings in your domain provider, GoDaddy, Google Domains, Cloudflare, etc. Ensure your SPF record includes all authorized email sending services. Verify that DKIM signing is enabled in your email provider settings. Update your DMARC policy to ensure proper email authentication. Why check your mailbox health? Better email. Deliverability. Ensures emails reach inboxes instead of spam. Prevents email spoofing. Stops attackers from sending emails on your behalf. Improves domain reputation. Strengthens your sender score for email services. Perform regular mailbox health checks to keep your emails secure and deliverable. Thank you for using ZenInbox.